And I'm going to put number 5 right over here. Too big. I'm going to put number 5 right about in there, and that look about right. Let's spin him around here. Oh, 5's all messed up, isn't it? I have to expand him out a little bit. There's number 5. That look better?
Yes.
Make it a little bigger. Okay, number 5. Okay, I'm in on that. Even though he's backwards, that's okay, isn't it? He's flipped over, right? Y'all, please tell me y'all recognize it. 5 is backwards. All right, so that'll make it unique. We'll know now that this is the real deal, right? Okay, so this is my design, and it's terrific to mellow go-go, right? All right, and there's a bigger view of it, so we know what it looks like. I'm now going to save that file, right? Shake your heads, right? I'm going to save that file. I'm going to make sure I don't, not save that. Design, save. That file is now saved. But now I want to do something different. I've saved the file, and remember where that file goes. Remember? It goes to my cloud account for Tinkercad. It'll always be there. Anywhere I go, anything I want to do, any internet connection I get, that file is going to be there for me. But this time I want to do something different. I want to download for 3D printing. All right, now, guys, you remember when I told you I had 2 things special to share with you?
Yeah.
All right, here's one of them. Guys, you're going to pay attention to me. I want to see all the boys, because I know this is going to be something you're going to really like, and the girls will too, but kind of for the boys specifically. You ready? How many of you play Minecraft? Oh my God. Everybody plays Minecraft.
Oh yeah.
All right, now, look what's right below here. Not only download for 3D printing, but which means that, yes, exactly, exactly means that anything I design that I want in Tinkercad, I can download and bring into Minecraft and use it. So any tools, dare I say, tools, buildings, people, whatever, doesn't matter. Any of those things that I design, I can download them and bring them right into Minecraft. Yes, ma'am. You can use the little box, little circle up the top that has the arrows. That'll change it, or you. I don't know if I understand what over is.
Be more specific, Brianna.
Oh, I know how. You simply have to scroll down here again. See? Like that.
How amazing is this? All you'd have to do was to have your laptop, have some internet, and a 3D printer, and you could, create anything that you wanted. You could create a whole house from 3D printing objects.
So here's my thing, and now I'm going to download that for 3D printing. Okay? Notice I just tapped it. Now this is important instructions. This is going to serve you for the rest of your life here. These are important. Every time I save something for 3D printing with the commercial 3D printers that we have here, okay, I always want to save it as a .stl file. Okay, Stephanie, you got the .stl. Okay. Save it as a .stl file.
Think St. Louis when you think save.
Exactly. And do I want to open or save terrific to mellow go.stl, and I want to save it. Where does it save that to? What file does it save it to? No. In this case, that file is no longer on the cloud. Remember, because I asked it to download. And my bet is it's going to be in my download folder. Let's go look, okay? Wow. There it is, right? Along with all the other 300 files that go through. That's it, isn't it? All right, now, I've got it there, and I see that it's there, right? Okay, now, that design I made is complete. That is now the digital file of that design. I can email that file. I can put that file on a flash drive. I can do anything I want with that. And I can bring that file back into Tinkercad and reconstitute it, make it come back. Or, as it's been downloaded for 3D printing now I can go print that, which is exactly what we're going to do. in the background here, I've got my 3D printing software already activated. Now, design, which is Tinkercad, okay, and printing are separate. You have to design first, then upload, if you will, that file into this software, which now creates all the commands that the 3D printer needs to know to be able to actually build what you've asked it to do. So let's go get that file that I just made. And what was it called again? Do you remember? Yeah, I know. Huh? Something, wasn't it?
I just remember it said go-go.
Yeah, go-go's the last deal, right? Yeah, and where was it at? Was it in my downloads?
Yeah.
All right, it was in downloads.
It's terrific to mellow.
Wow.
Terrific to mellow go-go.
Well, there's Glorious Snagnik go-go, but that's not it, right?
I see it.
Where is it? Come show me. Where is it?
Right there. Right there.
Terrific to mellow go-go.
Terrific to go-go.
The way we'll check that is we simply select that and tell it to open, and voila. Right? Now that's what we made, wasn't it? A cube with a hole with the, ensure the number 5 backwards on top. That's it. Okay, so I want you to understand, what I just had on the screen in Tinkercad 90 seconds ago, I now have here in this software ready to print. Now there are a lot of settings over here, and we can really, if you want to, get off in the weeds about how fast the printer runs, how much material it uses, the fill rate, all those kinds of things. We're going to worry about that right now, okay? Just trust me that I think I've got everything set up to where it will actually work. Let me double check that. Yeah, I think it will. And we're gonna eliminate
Now,
this.
Mr. Ron, is up at top there where it says 28 minutes and it says 59 meters and 5 grams, is that what it's going to use?
That is
The time
exactly what it's going to use. In this case, to make this build, what it is calculated, now it's going to use a little less because I removed the brim, which is sort of the platform. It's going to take 28 minutes. Actually, it'll take just a little less than that because I'm going to goose the printer speed up just a little bit, okay? But it's going to take 28 minutes. It's going to use